In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type exponents in Canva. Whether you're a design enthusiast or a professional needing to include mathematical symbols in your visuals, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open Canva and navigate to your desired design project. Once you're in your project, the first thing we need to do is add a text box. To do this, look for the Add a Text Box tool, which you can usually find on the left-hand side of the interface. With a simple click on this tool, you'll insert a new text box into your design. Now, let's move on to typing the base of your exponent. For our example today, we're going to use the letter X. Type this letter into the text box. Of course, feel free to substitute X with any other base that you're working with in your specific project. Next comes the fun part, adding the exponent itself. Here, we'll use a nifty trick specific to Windows users. Start by pressing the Windows logo key and the period key simultaneously on your keyboard. This will open up the emoji keyboard, a lesser-known but powerful feature. Once the emoji keyboard appears on your screen, keep your eyes peeled for the symbols icon. Depending on your system, this might look like a small gear or a smiley face with 3 dots. Go ahead and click on the symbols icon to view a variety of symbol categories. Now you'll need to scroll through the options available until you find the section specifically for math symbols. This section is a treasure trove of useful symbols for mathematical expressions, but today we're specifically looking for the exponent 3. Once you've located the math symbol section, keep scrolling until you spot the number 3 in a smaller superscript form. This is the exponent symbol that you'll add next to your base, which in our example is the letter X. Simply click on it to insert this into your text box next to the X. And there you have it. Your exponent is now successfully displayed in Canva. This method is great for integrating numerically intensive data into your visual designs without breaking a sweat. The emoji keyboard shortcut is a fantastic way to access additional symbols that are not readily available on standard keyboards. Don't hesitate to experiment with other numbers or symbols as needed, and remember that this process can be applied to any text element within Canva. With a bit of practice, you'll be typing exponents and more with ease, enhancing your design capabilities further. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to dive deeper and explore more features on Canva. Happy designing!